Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to connect the GameSir G7 SE controller to your Xbox. The GameSir G7 SE comes with a USB 2.0 cable that has two different ends. One side is a USB-C connector and the other side is a USB-A connector. The USB-C end is designed to plug into the controller and the USB-A end plugs into your Xbox console. Before starting, make sure you are using the cable that came with the controller. First, take the USB-C end of the cable. Plug the USB-C connector into the port on the top of the GameSir G7 SE controller. It is very important to push the cable in firmly so that it sits properly in the port. If the cable is loose, the controller may not connect to the Xbox or it may disconnect during gameplay. After applying a little pressure and making sure the cable is fully connected to the controller, take the other end of the cable. This end is the USB-A connector. Now plug the USB-A end into one of the USB ports on your Xbox console. You can use any available USB port on the front or back of the console. Once the cable is connected, the controller will receive power from the Xbox. If the controller does not turn on automatically, press the Xbox button located in the center of the controller. You can also use the GameSir Nexus app on your Xbox to configure profiles, change button mapping, and adjust vibration settings. Thanks for watching.